What if I told you this workout plan will only take a total of 72 hours of time at the gym? I know what you're thinking, that's only 3 days. Stick around and I'll explain. I'm Jasmine, registered dietitian and former overall state champion bikini competitor. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a complete guide for beginners on how to create an effective workout plan to help you lose fat in the most effective way possible. When I started my fitness journey, I had no idea where to start, and I had to rely on professional strength and bodybuilding coaches to learn the fundamentals of losing weight and getting in shape. So in this video, I'm sharing the valuable information I've learned that I wish someone had told me years ago when I started. So I hope this video saves you time and helps you get to your goal faster. I'll be covering everything you need to know, from the basics of goal setting, understanding sets, reps, and rest time, to diving deep into progressive overload, cardio recommendations, and helping you create the perfect workout plan for you. So before we start designing your custom workout plan, we need to set clear goals, because going into the gym without a clear goal in mind is like driving without a destination. You might get there eventually, but it's gonna take way longer and it's gonna be way less efficient. And everyone's gonna be different, so I'm gonna be covering 3 different ways to lose fat and improve your physique based on your specific goal. To begin, ask yourself, am I looking to increase size, strength, or endurance? Strength is typically going to be your power lifters. Size is going to be hypertrophy, so getting more of that bodybuilder, bikini competitor, toned look. And then endurance is more for athletes that are doing endurance for a long period of time. So that may be a soccer player, basketball player, or a marathon runner. So asking this question is so important because it'll be the foundation of your workout plan, and the type of goal you choose will ultimately determine the type of exercises and the number of reps you'll perform and the rest time to reach that goal. So now that you've chosen your goal, let's cover some of the basic workout lingo that you need to know to be successful. So we're gonna be talking about reps, sets, and rest time. So a repetition, or rep, is a single movement of exercise. A set is a number of repetitions you perform of an exercise. For example, you're doing push-ups, right? Each push-up counts as 1 rep, and when you do 10 push-ups without stopping, that's 1 set of 10 reps. And then rest time is the amount of time between sets to recover and prepare for the next set. If your goal is to increase your strength, you want to aim for 1 to 5 reps for each exercise. So this is where you're going to be using a heavier weight, and you want to focus on a lower rep range because it places a greater load of weight on the muscle and maximizes strength and power. And according to the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, the recommended rest time between each set when building strength is between 2 to 5 minutes to allow for adequate recovery. Pro tip: talking in the gym isn't always so bad. It's a great way to make friends and ensure that you're creating enough time in between your sets to replenish your glycogen stores so you can lift more in your next set. If your goal is to increase muscle size and get that toned look, that's more of your bikini competitor, bodybuilder, you'll wanna aim for 6 to 12 reps of each exercise using a moderate weight. A weight that's still challenging and that you can perform all the reps in that set. And personally, this is the goal I typically have to get the look that I'm looking for, that toned look. And for this goal, you should rest anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes in between your sets. I personally like resting 1 minute and 30 seconds because I found that that's like the sweet spot for me. So anywhere between 1 minute and 2 minutes is great when you're looking to build muscle and get into that hypertrophy phase. So last but not least, the 3rd workout plan is for endurance athletes. So this workout plan is focused more and is more ideal for people who are sports athletes, are exercising for long periods of time, like soccer or running. So to increase your endurance, you're gonna wanna aim for a 12 to 20 rep range for every exercise with a lighter weight. And this rep range improves overall endurance and stamina. And the recommended rest time for endurance is between 30 to 90 seconds of rest to allow for adequate recovery. So now that you have a clear understanding of your goals, reps, sets, and rest time, it's time to actually design your workout plan. I'm gonna be honest, if you really wanna get results and see a difference in your physique, there's gonna be no shortcut. You're gonna have to invest time and effort, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. To put things into perspective, we have 168 hours in a week. So if you're gonna work out an hour and a half tops for 4 days of the week, that's gonna be less than 4% of your entire week. I'm sure you can find that time if it's important to you. So with that being said, a 4-day workout plan is a great way to get started. I recommend following the same workout plan for 12 weeks. Anytime you start a new workout plan, it's gonna take time to get down the proper form, get comfortable with the exercises, and really develop the mind-muscle connection to make sure that you're lifting the weight with the muscle you're intending to lift that weight with. Your workout plan doesn't have to be 6 or 7 days. It can simply be 4 days a week where you target each muscle group and their opposing muscle group to ensure that your workout program is not only comprehensive and effective, but create a balanced physique while limiting potential injuries. Your 4-day ultimate workout plan in 4 simple steps. Listen up. Step 1, start with a 5 to 10 minute cardio or dynamic stretch warm-up. You shouldn't be exerting yourself here. Really, the purpose of this warm-up is to elevate your heart rate and get your blood flowing to prepare you for the next part of your workout, which is the weightlifting portion. Step 2, choose 4 to 5 exercises for the main muscle group you're training, and 2 to 3 exercises for the opposing muscle group you're training. So your main muscle groups are chest, back, legs, and shoulders. And I typically include core on my shoulder day to decrease the number of days that I'm in the gym. I typically like to stick to 4 days, but if you wanna separate them, just add an extra workout day in the week. But for this video, we're talking about a 4-day workout plan. Your opposing muscle groups will be triceps on back day, biceps on chest day, hamstrings and glutes on leg day, and shoulders, we're just adding core. And to make it easy, I have a downloadable PDF with an example of a simple 4-day workout plan linked in the description below. Step 3 is post-lift cardio, and this is gonna vary from person to person, so if you're just getting started, start low. I wouldn't recommend doing long cardio sessions right off the bat. 15 to 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week is a great place to start, and as you get more comfortable doing cardio and as your endurance improves, you can also increase your cardio over time by adding more minutes to each cardio session or increasing the number of days that you're doing cardio. And last but not least, step 4, stretching. And this can be done in the gym or at home. But stretching is so important post-workout because it really helps improve your flexibility, range of motion, helps lengthen and relax the muscles that you've been contracting throughout your whole workout. It improves blood flow, reduces muscle soreness, and helps you recover faster. So by incorporating stretching into your post-workout routine, you can help maintain a healthy and injury-free body and be strong for your next workout session. So now that you've gotten comfortable with some of the lingo and your workout plan, how much weight should you be lifting? So everyone's starting weight is gonna be a little bit different, but I recommend choosing a weight that you feel comfortable using and that you can do the exercise with correct form. Form is so important. Throughout your 12-week workout plan, you wanna keep challenging your muscles by making your workouts harder over time. So each week or every 2 weeks, try to increase the weight you're lifting. This way, your muscles will continue to grow and you'll get stronger and continue to lose weight. So this process is called progressive overload. It's kind of like playing a video game and getting to the next level, but instead you're leveling up with your strength. So one of the main reasons people don't make progress in the gym is because they're not tracking their workouts, how much weight they're lifting, and it doesn't have to be something that's very complicated. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. You can do it using an app, you can be writing down pen and paper. I just like to use my phone. So basically I'll just open the notes. I'll say, for my example, I have 2023 chest day number 1, and I have 6 workouts that I've written down here. Every time I go into the gym to do my chest workout, I'll just simply pull out my phone, my notes page, and then look at what the exercises are, how many reps, sets, and rest I'm doing for each, and I'll document how much weight I lifted for every exercise, because it's likely that you're not gonna remember how much weight you lifted the week before when you came in. So having that written down is really helpful. So for example, last week I may have lifted 30 pounds on an incline chest press, but I want to incorporate progressive overload. So instead of starting with 30 pounds, I'm gonna start with 32.5 pounds. So even that slight difference is gonna keep you progressing. It doesn't have to be going from 5 pounds to 30 pounds in 1 week. It can literally be going up by 2.5 pounds. That's still gonna make a huge difference in your weight loss journey, in your muscle strength, and your overall fitness goals. So in addition to resistance training, it's important to include cardio in your workout. Cardio helps to improve your cardiovascular health, burn calories, increase endurance, and help you lose fat. The cardio recommendation from the American Medical Association is 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio, which is about 30 minutes 5 times a week, can really help with your overall health and disease prevention. So if you're looking to maximize your muscle strength, size, or endurance, I recommend always doing your longer cardio session following weight training. When we exercise, whether it's weight training or cardio, our body uses glycogen to fuel our workouts. So when you're looking to build muscle, you want to use the majority of those glycogen stores and strength to lift more and heavier weight. So if you do a long cardio session before your lift, you're not going to likely have as much strength or energy you would if you had lifted first. So cardio after lifting weights is recommended. Don't you hate when you're sore after a workout? To minimize your soreness, there's a few things that you can do. The biggest one is rest. Rest days are just as important as workout days. They allow your muscles to recover and prevent injury. And according to a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, taking at least 1 day of rest per week can improve your overall athletic performance. In addition to your rest days, there's a few things you can do to help speed up your recovery. The first one is getting enough sleep. So sleep is essential for muscle recovery because it's when your body repairs and builds muscle tissue. So when you're working out in the gym and tearing down that muscle to rebuild it stronger, that overall is a catabolic process. You're breaking down muscle. But when you sleep, that's actually an anabolic process. So that's really when you're building your muscle. So a lot of people think, oh, I gain muscle and strength in the gym, but you actually gain muscle and strength during your recovery periods. The last thing I want to share is your mindset. Your mindset when starting a new workout plan will make all the difference when trying to accomplish your goals. Number one, be consistent. Consistency is going to be key to your success. Number two, focusing on progress, not perfection. Every time you come into the gym, it's not going to be perfect, especially when you're learning new exercises and you're trying different things. Just focus on trying to get better at those workouts and improving over time. Number three is working out with intention. So as you progress in your workout, you really want to be intentional when you're lifting your weights or anything you're doing, whether you're stretching, you're doing your cardio, really being focused and trying to think about the muscle that you're lifting when you're doing a certain exercise can consistently help build the mind-muscle connection. Number four is being patient. So progress is not linear and it's not going to show overnight. So just be patient with the process and really commit to that 12 weeks and see what you can do. Number five is trusting the process. I'm a firm believer that hard work always pays off. So just trust that every single day that you're going to the gym, you're exercising, is going to pay off in the end. Number six, nutrition. Nutrition is going to be so important to your success. You can't outtrain a poor diet. So it's really necessary to be filling your pantry with high quality protein sources, carbohydrates, fruits, vegetables, because those are going to be the building blocks for your muscle and recovery. So don't forget about nutrition. And last but not least, enjoy the fitness journey. It's not always about the goal, but it's about enjoying the process. Investing in your health, investing in yourself is going to be what's going to make you love this journey. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with a friend who needs it or your next gym partner. Subscribe to my channel to see more helpful videos on nutrition and fitness, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Leave a comment below on whether your goal is strength, size, or endurance, and I'll see you in the next one.